Hello, I'm Ant. This time it's all about scrambled eggs. There's lots of ways to do scrambled eggs. I've always done it the way my Nana always did it. She always got her pan screaming hot and she always moved really quickly. Jump in. I like to do 3 eggs per serve, and along with those eggs, 3 tablespoons or so of cream or milk, some oil and butter for the pan, and of course some salt and pepper. Get your pan onto the heat. Bit hotter than medium, you need to get it hot. You don't want the eggs to stick to a cold pan. Crack your eggs into a bowl and add the cream, salt and pepper. Give it a mix. I always use a fork and keep going until everything is combined. It's okay to still see a few streaks, but just make sure everything's all mixed through. When the pan's good and hot, add a good knob of butter. Give it a swirl around and get it brown and nutty tasting. Throw the eggs in. Let them sit for a few seconds and just pull the edges of the mixture into the centre of the pan. Keep pulling the eggs into the centre of the pan, just from the edges, just gently with the fork. Gently turning the pan around so that wet mixture gets the heat. Give everything a final fold over onto itself, pull it off the heat and serve. Altogether, that's about 30 or 40 seconds worth of cooking time. I love the folds that this technique leaves in the eggs. They're cooked on the outside and just starting to set on the inside. It's the perfect way to do scrambled eggs. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and visit our website for more information.